In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device from apps and other senders. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to select where it says notifications. Where it says notifications at the top, get notifications from apps and other senders. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference. Or you can scroll down and then individually change notification preferences for any particular applications. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.